Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of V Builds. This is day 13 of our Scorpio conversion, and today we are going to start the wrap because yesterday we painted and prepared it. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and check that one. And this is the wrap that we are going to use. It is in pearl white. We got it from Karol Bagh. It cost us around 4,000, and if I would have bought it from here somewhere, then it would cost me 7 to 8,000. So it was quite a bargain and worth it to go to Karol Bagh. So if you haven't seen that video, you will find it on my channel as well. So let's start. Today I'll begin with wrapping the door claddings. That would be the easiest part to wrap, and since this is the first time, it would be a good experience as well. I've got everything that we need to wrap. I don't know what to do with this. I guess can use it to wash but yeah, let's begin. So we start by wrapping these side claddings. These are from Scorpio 2024 that we got from Mayapuri. So these must be easy. So we practice on them. And also, yeah, if you haven't seen my Scorpio conversion videos, which is I'm converting this 2006 CRDI model to 2024 Classic model. If you haven't seen those videos, make sure you check them out. It's really fun series. Let's go. Now this is all that we need to start wrapping. So here is the squeegees, another one squeegee, and then we need this cutter, some sandpaper, this spray bottle to spray soapy water, and then we have our wrap right there. And then if your car is not in a good condition, initially you need to do some sanding and putty filling also, because the surfaces need to be smooth for the wrap to stick properly. So if your car is in a good condition, then you can skip this step, but if it is not, then you have to make sure that there are no dents, otherwise they will look pretty bad. So we'll start, we have done that already. We start with the side claddings. Let's wash them. To wash, we need some soapy water, clean clothes, and everything is here. Just wash it. And our side claddings must have dried by now. They are all washed and ready. So it's so hot outside, they actually dried within 5 minutes, and now we can start wrapping these. So let's take them inside. And another important thing that we need for wrapping is this heat gun, which I forgot about. So let's take this, and here is our wrap. Let's cut into small pieces. So our side claddings are all wrapped and they're looking beautiful. Next we move on to wrapping the bonnet. So yeah, that is the next big part that we will do. And I have messed up the whole room, so my mom is kind of angry with me. ज़्यादा जोर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसे आराम आराम से। मास्क लगा ले।
उल्टा लगा रहे हैं।
हाँ उल्टा है।
क्या फर्क पड़ता है, वो साइड तो मिट्टी लगा ली सारी।
So now we need to prepare our bonnet for wrapping. So basically we need to find all the dents and then fill them up with putty and then do a lot of sanding and then wash it. So all of that we'll do now. चमक रही थी। So we have prepared our bonnet for wrapping. We did some body filling and then a lot of sanding, and then I washed it properly with soapy water so there's no more grease on it, and now it's ready to be wrapped. But before that, tea break. Let's go. Okay, and so now it's nice and dry and we can start wrapping our bonnet. So let's do that. Also, yeah, we'll be using this cello tape to pick up all the small tiny particles from the bonnet so that it is extra clean. So we got it to size and now let's install it. So this piece is quite too big, so what I did is peel it off the corners from both sides a little bit and then pasted it, and then we can start installing it from the left side. This, the bonnet is completely wrapped, looks very pretty. As much as I want to finish my day right now, मैं बहुत ही strict timeline पे हूँ. Let's try that we at least finish this bumper as well today. Let's do it. Right there is the bumper piece cut to size. Let's install it on the bumper. Wrap is done. See you tomorrow. We'll continue this. Till then, bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.